today we are in the public swimming pool in the town. So the pool is quite big with not too many people. And then there are many children, hi, many youngsters, and then some tables. And then now I bring some snacks for them and then try to teach them a bit Cantonese. Okay, here there are a few ladies. Can you say hi?
Hi.
Hi. So do you want to learn Cantonese?
Yes.
Good. So now here are some snacks, some candies. This you call marshmallows, and then we call it 棉花糖.糖 means candy. Say it 糖.
糖.
And then 花 is flower. Say it 花.
花.
And then 棉花 means cotton. The cotton. Okay. 棉花糖.
棉花糖.
Why we call it 棉花糖? Because its texture is so soft, just like the cotton. The cotton we put inside into the pillow, then it's 棉花. So and then of course it is candy, so we call it 棉花糖.
棉花糖.
Yeah, and then when I present to you, and then you say thank you, right? In Cantonese, how do you say 多謝? 多謝. 多謝. Okay. Great. Thank you so much.